Are you inspired for your marathon or road race? Hi, I'm Gloria Averbush with Point Sports Health, a running author as well. You know, people talk about the positive aspect of psychology, that running is 90% physical and 10% mental, but watch out for that 10%. What can you do to be inspired? Try posting inspiring photographs on your refrigerator so you see them every day. Read articles online or in books about runners. Join a running group, talk to other runners, steep yourself in all the minutia and detail of the marathon that or other road race you're going to run. I want to let you know one of the best things I ever did to get inspired. On the night before my key marathon, I put on a chair next to the bed my running outfit with my running number pinned on and my running shoes, so that it was the last thing I saw before I went to sleep and the first thing I saw when I woke up on the day of my marathon. I ran my best time that day. So, to many happy and healthy running miles, and best of luck in your marathon or other road race. I'm Gloria Averbush with Point Sports Health.